Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82, and today we got a nice little bitty truck tip for you. You know, we're running into winter and everything else, and one thing that some people have issues with is kind of keeping the proper lubricity on the top of your fifth wheel plate. You use regular grease, it dries out, gets gunked up. You can spray it with diesel fuel if you want, and that kind of makes a drippy mess. One thing that we do like using here in the shop, and this is kind of a, as my camera starts tilting on me, fix that. SilverStreak by Schaeffers. It's a nice little bitty thing. Comes in a 16-ounce can. Shake her up. But this is actually a really nice lubricant for the fifth wheel plates. Does help. Well, one, it's easy to apply. Two, rather resilient towards the cold temperatures. Today it's 38 out, which is the warmest it's been in a little bit. But as far as using regular fifth wheel grease or even grease out of a grease gun, cold temperature plays hell on them. I mean, salt, grime, sand, all that stuff collects up on there. But with SilverStreak, it's not so bad. That, and unlike diesel fuel, which can run down onto your power divider or off your axle, and as you're underneath servicing it, as soon as I can learn how to talk again, drips on you, nasty. Yeah, it's just crappy. We'll just put it that way. So, Schaeffers Silver Streak. I know there's a lot of dealerships out there that sell this. Freightliner, Kenworth, Peterbilt's, those places. Go on to Schaeffers website, which is SchaefferOil.com. Focus you. SchaefferOil.com. And on there, it'll pull you up a map of your local dealers, distributors, and everything else. But nice. One, easy to apply. And this fifth wheel isn't as bad as some other fifth wheels that we've already taken care of here in the shop. You just stand behind the tractor, you know, right behind the rear bumper of it, and spray away, back and forth, even coat. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, doesn't even spray on top of the can and onto your fingers and other things. So us here in this shop, we like Schaeffers products, and no, we are not sponsored by Schaeffer. We sponsor them. They just really make good products. This, nice, easy, quick. The Citrol works wonders for cleaning your tools because it doesn't harm your tools, especially your soft grip stuff. This, you know, if you got a shop or number of your own trucks or your own truck and you're just looking for something easy that stores really nice, that you can put in your jock box, the side of your door, what have you. Would I recommend this? Yeah, we've been using the hell out of it for years. So, works really good. Whenever you uncouple, spray her down a little bit. And as far as how much 1/16-ounce can apply, depends on, one, how dry your fifth wheel already is. Two, how much or how little you do apply. If you go hog wild with it, I mean, this might last you 3 applications. You use appropriately, 1 can of this will last somewhere between 6 and 8 fifth wheel plates on average, which is what we'll go through here in a day, plus maybe a few others, depends on what day it is, rotations of the trucks and all this other stuff. But yeah, Schaeffers Silver Streak multi-lube does work wonders for it. So there you go, guys. Cost per can, can't really tell you. We order it in bulk directly from Schaeffers. We just have an account with them. But something easy. Anyways, remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody will die, and stay warm out there. Have a good weekend.